What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. And this one I want to talk about a project that came across my desk that is a newer project, right? Was recently launched, sees a little bit of success. We're going to look at the utility, we're going to look at everything that it has to offer, and you guys determine on whether you want to either be a part of this, utilize the systems, utilize their project in a way, and also be involved with their project by maybe buying the position. Now, again, this is all up to you, right? I don't look to be anybody's financial advisor. I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, but not for protection for me. It's more or less protection for you and your future investments. Because while it's easy to copy people, it's easy to just say, oh, Matt likes this position, let's buy this position. It's not easy to do the opposite or do the last part to that, right? Which is to sell that position because you don't know one what I decided to buy, you don't know when I decided to buy, and you don't know my exit plan going on about that. And even if you do, does it feel right to copy someone's exit plan rather than create your own? You know what I mean? So feel free to check out all the links for Falc Dex down below. Sorry. FalxDex is a newer project that, again, we're going to go into all the detail about what it is, but you guys can research a lot more in the description below. But make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Again, all the links for FalxDex will be down there. And if you guys want to check out my links for my affiliate links as well as Margex and all of that, feel free to do that. It does help out the channel in a big way. Now, when I look for projects, a lot of them, I'm looking for ones that are early stages, low millions of dollars of a market cap, maybe even hundreds of thousands, that could potentially have, a level of popularity, spend money on marketing, and see a larger form of utility, right? And when I find those projects, you could potentially see a larger gain within them, and they could be worth a lot more, as long as obviously we catch the bull market, the altcoin season, and things start to absolutely fly for it. We haven't seen much even in the top 100 that are altcoins that have moved a crazy amount. Um, but FalxDex has definitely caught my attention a little bit. I wanted to go into the detail here. The Falc token was launched at 8 p.m. UTC on May 24th, or sorry, May 17th, 2024. We will go into the live chart in a little bit. The next generation DEX built on the high performance Solana blockchain. At the heart of the FalxDex ecosystem lies the native Falc token, a crucial component that fuels the platform. With a fixed total supply of 10 billion Falc tokens, the Falc token aims to deliver sustainable value and growth for its holders. So as an investor, you want to be able to see that with the lower supply that's not 10 quadrillion tokens, and seeing that it actually has a use case and people are utilizing Falc as the native token, then that creates a use for it and gives you now value for holding that position. Tokenomics, just to break all that down, you have the 10 billion total supply, you have 0.7 billion Falc that went to airdrop, you have 3 billion that went to pre-sale, 2.85 billion that is going to liquidity. So you're literally looking at about 30% that is going to liquidity. 28.5 to be specific. And then you have marketing, that's 1.2 billion Falc, 1.4 billion for staking rewards, and less than 1 billion for the team, which is 0.85. Falc token utility, native DEX. The token is launched at 8 p.m. We established this exactly when it was. Tradable directly on the website. Staking rewards, users can stake their Falc tokens to earn passive income and help secure the platform. After staking will be launched in the second quarter of 2024. So if we go into their dashboard, you're going to see that it is coming soon, but they do have their staking information, which is 80% APR that you can get on Falc. You can also get 30% on USDT and 30% on USDC, and others as well. So if you're looking for a staking percentage or getting something back, you can obviously get that through FalcDEX. One thing that I wanted to point out, as you could see here, that you will have the top 100 stakers will also get a revenue share from the project fees, also sniper bot fees that are coming soon, and router fees, which will all tie back into the community. So if you're looking for anything extra on top of it, you're looking for the staking, you're looking for something to be a part of something bigger, they're here to stay. They're ready for this to blow up to the next level for single asset tokens. Long-term Falc token value, due to the fixed total supply without minting, the value of Falc tokens is likely to increase over time. FalxDex router plan to be implemented in Q4 of 2024. Cross-chain bridge scheduled to launch 2024, Q4 2024. This is something that we've seen as a major benefit within some of these tokens, because you're talking about cross chains. You're talking about to Binance, from Solana to Binance, and from Ethereum to Solana over to Base, or whatever, right? You have all these chains that you are bridging to, which is honestly a larger benefit there. The FalxDex roadmap, Q2 of 2024, which we stand. Liquidity pool launch, I guess, is the only thing that hasn't really been checked off there. But you have, CMC, CoinGecko, Radium listings. You have all of these things that have happened. Q3, you have Telegram bot integration, partnerships, influencer onboarding. You have a top 10 CEX listing is what they're looking for. Create their very own FalxDex router in Q4 of 2024. AI integration. You have the FalxDex NFT gaming development. Frequently asked questions within there. What is DEX? What is DEX? DEX is a place where you can buy cryptocurrency tokens. Unlike centralized exchange, you have full ownership over the cryptocurrency you own. FalxDex introduced native Falc token designed to create a self-sustaining ecosystem with useful utility, rewarding its holders and providing an efficient economic model. And it is available for trading at our DEX on this website. So you guys can get into all the different details there, like why Solana blockchain, obviously with the high performance, fast transaction times, low cost. We know how, if you are familiar with Solana, then you know all about that. When was the pre-sale? We know of when that did happen, when Falcon token was launched, or Falc was launched. Here is their team. If you want to go through them. One thing about the team is the founder is KYC and doxed. So you don't have to worry about any of those security issues, or knowing what their mindset is behind the project and what their plan is behind the project. Also, the different connections that they've had with the project. And he's been seen in multiple AMAs, so you know his face. You see him talking. You can go and get all that information if you wanted to. There's a big team of 20 people that are working 24/7 to help this community, to help grow the project and be a lot stronger. So you know that they care about the success, about the longevity of what this is. For instance, the DEX has gone through a test to basically show its speed compared to Radium swap time versus Jupiter swap time. And FalxX had the #1 average swap time, which is definitely interesting. Breakdown of them, the partners, associates, listings that they do have, coin market cap, CoinGecko, all of that. Let's go into, well, I guess you can't really go over here. We would have to go through a different link, but they are listed on coin market cap. Let's go and look at their Twitter, which currently sits at 4,000 followers right now. And you're seeing some information. If you guys want some information here, some updates on what's going on with it, feel free to follow them on Twitter. I will provide that link down below. But let's look at the actual position and where it stands. So liquidity stands at about $2 million. You're looking at a $11.52 million market cap. With the 10 billion in circulating supply, all of it is out there. You have 8,250 holders, just about 8,250 holders, 24-hour volume, $599,000. So they're definitely seeing, a level of popularity, especially being worth about $12 million is phenomenal. If we look at the movement over the lifetime of what we've seen here, we saw that initial pickup, I guess in May. It picked up to a level of 34% of a penny, and now it sits a lot lower at about 11% of a penny. It did go even lower than that, down to a added zero, which would have been a great buying price if you believe in this project and what they have to offer. I think DEXs are big and are popular and will have a level of popularity, a level of growth that some people may not fully understand until it absolutely happens. So it's something you wanna look into. Let's see if we go over to if we can get over to the contract. Again, the breakdown, I guess you can already see exactly how many people. So you have 8,250 holders that are there. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I wanted to go into this position, show you what it's all about, show you where it stands. But right now, it may be at more of a buying price because it is a lot lower than its highest point that it got to, which was in May. But we haven't seen, altcoin season yet. So as this is going through altcoin season, you may see a larger pickup of this position, especially that they have a whole section or whole area to where they're spending money in marketing, meaning that they can build in that popularity, build in the areas that they want to build. So let me know what you think about this project. FalxDex, I like the name. I like what they have to offer. I like the fact that they're built on Solana. I like a lot of things about it. But let's see how it performs. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, again, if you guys want to research anything else, feel free to check out all of those links down below for FalxDex. But I'm going to get out of here. Thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.